Using quadratic equations, you have to find a two-digit number that satisfies these two conditions. But even before we go to the equation part, just reading the question itself is enough. You will get the number. Why is that? Look at the first condition given. You need a two-digit number such that the product of its digits is 18. So, how many digits do we have? 10 digits. So, out of these 10 digits, how many sets of two numbers will you get so that the product is 18? You will get 2 and 9 and 3 and 6. Out of these two sets, how many numbers can you form? You can form 4 numbers. 29, 92, 36, 63. So, from the first sentence, you have got 4 numbers. So from the first sentence you have got 4 numbers. Now look at the second condition. You have to subtract 63 from that number. Then you will see that the digits are reversed. Now if you have to subtract 63 from that number has to be greater than 63, right? Why is that? Because your digits can never be negative. So your digits and your age and your weight, all of this cannot be negative. So the number you are looking for should be greater than 63, which is the only number you see here. It is 92. Now subtract 63 from 92 and you will see that the digits are reversed. So even before you go to the equation part, just read the question. From the first question you will get 4 options. The second one will narrow it down to just one answer. But then this is maths. There are 2 ways of doing this. One, you just apply your common sense. The other one, to satisfy a mathematician, you furnish them with the proof. That is what we are going to do next. Now we come to our main topic, which is quadratic equations. Let this be the number. X is in the tens place and y is a number in the ones place. Now any number occurs in the digit form and in the expanded form. What do we mean by that? Suppose you have the number 72. So there you have 7 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. This is the digit form. How does the expanded form look like? 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. So the digit form looks like this. The expanded form looks like this. So if your number is such that x is in the tens place and y is in the ones place, how does its expanded form look like? 10 into x is 10x plus y. So this is the number we want. When we reverse the digit, what happens? Now you are reversing it. Now y comes in the tens place, x comes in the ones place. So your new number is this. Your original number this, your new number is this. Now what does this condition say? You have to subtract 63 from the original number. And then you will get what? You will get its reversed form. That is our first equation. So this is the quadratic equation that you get. 10x plus y is your original number. From that subtract 63. You will get the new number with the digits reversed. Now bring all the terms to one side. Then you will get such an equation. See, all of them are divisible by 9. Always make your life easy. Try to bring it to the lowest terms. Divide throughout by 9. You get such a neat, small, beautiful equation. Now what does your first sentence tell you? What is the first condition? The product of the digits, which means x into y is 18. So you have a y here. Instead of y, put 18 by x. There, I've just taken this down. So instead of y, put 18 by x. You have an x here. Now multiply throughout with x, then what do you get? You get such a quadratic equation. There you have your quadratic equation. Now you are looking for two numbers whose sum is -7, whose product is -18. Just think of all possible combinations which will give you the number 18. You have three combinations, out of which you can see that 2, 9 is what you want, because 9 minus 2 is 7. So you put those two numbers here, then equating each one to 0, you will get x is equal to 9 or -2. Which one do you think is the answer? What do you think x will be? X is a digit. A digit cannot be negative. So what is your x? Your x is what? 9. Then what is your y? Your y, you see here, x into y is what? 18. So y is what? 18 by 9, which is 2. So what is your number? Your number is 92. But we already know that, right? So that is it. Inshallah, I'll meet you in another class. Till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.